The tricky part about personalization is you talk a lot about it, but how much do you actually do? Time runs out, time's up, you have to go live, you maybe have time for 2 or 3 of your audiences. That's it. It's not happening. Now, I want to show you how we can change that. We worked on this for quite a bit, and the Adobe research team uses artificial intelligence to solve that. So I'm going to walk you through how that works. All right, so let's get my screen up. Here we go. That's the blank canvas, in case you wondered. Now, here I'm in Experience Manager, and I'm going to start by just searching for content that I think I have. So I'm going to search for healthy recipes. So like that. So some beautiful content. And at this point, I want to thank the Food Network for allowing us to use their brand and this content for this presentation.
Thank you. Food.
So you guys hungry?
Network.
I know, somebody has pickles. I saw that, so not sure. Somebody. Not telling you. So let's select a few content to start with, which I think I'm going to do these 7 here. That's good. So let's go through a step-by-step process to create this experience. So I'm going to make my experience work for my website, mobile app, and a newsletter. It's just, so it kind of knows what I want to do with it later. Next, and that's really important, why am I creating this thing? What is important? So what's the success metrics? So I got the typical ones that we have usually, and one of them is number of registrations. How many people are signing up on our website? Why is that important? Because obviously, the more they sign up, the better we can personalize, and again, better serve them. All right, let's do that. And next. The last step is kind of boring. Just provide a name. Help me to find it later. And luckily, there's a proposal done for me. I don't even type anything. How amazing is that? Now the magic's going to happen, OK? So bear with me. Maybe you're tweeting right now. Just, stop for a little bit. What happens right now is Adobe Sensei understands the content, as in words and text, looks at the analytics and the behavior, and what does it do with it? It creates this beautiful experience right there. So instead of a blank canvas, I'm getting a beautifully designed experience. That's a lot of time saving right there. Now, this is not a black box. If I do have the time, and I don't, trust me, the time is clicking down right there. But I can go and understand of why Adobe Sensei decided that this should be the hero, this should be next, and where to put the title, and how much spacing in between the individual items, should the video be here? All those decisions you spent meetings and meetings talking about it. But let's go back to talk about personalization. So let's open the Context Hub, which allows me to get access to the audiences in the Marketing Cloud. And I got something for people who love pickles. I got vegetarian audience here. So talking about personalization, how would this page look like for pickle lovers? I click on it, and Adobe Sensei runs the numbers and will propose, ta-ta, a page.
It's different.
Nice. Healthy cauliflower rice, healthy spicy steamed baby bok choy.
It's for me.
Beautiful.
It's just for me.
You like it?
I love it.
Excellent.
It made it just like that for me?
For you.
That's amazing, isn't it? OK, so in just a short period of time, I already created 2 distinct optimized experiences. So you want to see more?
Yes.
Yes.
You want to see more? OK. So, I really love using this thing. Like, clicking on it, trying to figure out what happens next. It's amazing. But I want to show you something else. I'm actually going to select all of them.
What? How?
Yeah. So I'm selecting all of them.
Uh-huh.
And I'm going to just run this and just you might want to hold your breath. I mean, I'm not going to be responsible for that, but if you do, I can't blame you. All right, I'm going to hit that number. I'm going to hit that button. Bear with me.
No.
Tons of kneading,
it all.
hours of
Doing all of
decision
them.
making.
It did them all.
Ladies and gentlemen, creating personalized experiences at scale has changed forever.